Hi, welcome to the Car Cosmetics channel. Here you'll find how to do DIY repairs on your car. We'll show you step-by-step guidance on doing the repair correctly and professionally. I want to provide a high quality service to everybody and take that hassle away from being in an accident or any type of accident to your car, to have a streamlined service where those things are taken care of so you don't have to deal with those. Hopefully this will turn what could be a real pain or a headache to you into a sort of hassle-free, stress-free experience, knowing full well that the repairs done by Car Cosmetics are done to a high standard, so you can then carry on with your life in full confidence that that repair was done correct. We also want to build the business up. I need to build the Car Cosmetics brand on YouTube. I need to get people to like the videos, subscribe. The more we have on there, we can use that revenue income from there eventually to then put back into the company and build it up to be a national company. If we can get the support from you guys to help build the brand up, I think we can change the industry together. We realise at Car Cosmetics that people have different budgets, different amounts of money that they're able to spend on their car. We want to be able to offer a service that kind of caters for these. This is why I also do the courses, so if people don't have the money to pay for it, then they can have a good idea on how to do it properly themselves, and we will do guidance on that. We will also offer a service where our technicians, while they are learning at an apprentice level, they'll do repairs cheaper as they are learning, and you can get that benefit of a cheaper job but professional through that. But again, I need your support to make this happen. Your support would be to subscribe, to leave reviews, like the videos, link the bell to be notified on any other one. Further down the line, once we are getting bigger, and I will try to do that in between, is do car reviews, the latest cars that are coming out. So you guys that are really interested in cars, or you want to kind of pick a car, your next buy, you can have a look at our reviews and see what we think of each car, the pros and the cons. Same with, we want to do like reviews on classic cars, where we'll speak to the owners of these cars and what got them involved in collecting the classic car and why they come to shows. So we'll find individual stories on this. There'll be also concept cars that we'll have a look at and review, so you can be up to date on the latest technologies coming out. And lastly, we'll also do videos on how to look after your car and maintain it, tips and tricks, secrets of the trade kind of thing. So please subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll keep you notified on any updates. Thank you very much.